So, friends, this is the OneDrive Emel industrial sewing machine. This is my working space, as you can see, and let's begin the tutorial. All right. So, OneDrive Emel industrial sewing machine, and one of the advantages is you can use the smaller generator. The generator that has the smaller unit of kV. Is it kV high or kV something? So I bought a generator recently. It's 2900 kV, maybe kVi or kV something, so it can work perfectly with this. I don't necessarily need to buy fireman 3000 plus 4000 kV 3000 kV to work with my Emel industrial machine. So that's just one of the advantages. The second advantage is it doesn't make so much noise like other industrial sewing machine. So you can control it, the swiftness, how quickly you want your sewing to go. You can lower the rate or the degree you want your sewing to be at. So yeah, you can increase it using these buttons. Now let's proceed. You see these two holes here. This is where these threads will be inserted. One for the bobbin, one will be used to thread to fill the bobbin, and the other will be fixed inside the needle here, which you use to sew dresses. So now to do this, I'll insert this thread. This is the first thread which I want to roll inside my bobbin here. So this thread goes inside this bobbin. How do I achieve that? Wait and see. So as I said earlier on, it has two holes that I can insert this thread into. I will use this side to thread my to insert this thread from this hole to this bobbin. So now this is the thread. I hope you can see, from distance. So this is the thread. I record the tip to make it smoother and easy for me to insert. So I'll insert it from the back. This is the back. This is this front view. So I will insert this thread inside this hole from the back, pull it out. I believe you can see as I've pulled it out. Now you see this place on your sewing machine, industrial sewing machine. It has two insertions. It has two places, or two places actually. You can thread this. You can insert this thread to achieve your this bobbin becoming full, with your thread. So let me bring this camera closer so that you can see what I'm talking about. So as I said, this is the first place you can, as I said, that it has two places you can insert this thread into. So this is the first place. This is the first hole you insert this thread into. After bringing it out from this first hole, you make it enter into this place. Okay, you understand? You ensure that it enters inside this gap, this spherical gap here. Then once you achieve that, you insert it into the second hole. Okay, Let's see. Here it is. I've achieved that. So from the second hole, I made sure it entered this gap here. Have you seen? I ensured it entered this gap here, then brought it out from this second hole. Now here, what's the next thing? The next thing is to make sure it doesn't, hook this metallic stuff here. So you roll it like this. See the angle it came from, like this, not like this. So you roll it inside the bobbin, roll it very well, and this thing, it's, you attach it. Do you understand? It will hold on tightly to the bobbin. Do you understand? If the thread becomes fuller or becomes full to any it depends on how much thread you really need, but if it's fuller, this thing will detach itself from the bobbin. But as we want to thread this bobbin now, we have to solely attach this tightly to the bobbin right now. So the next thing is to press our pedal, do you understand, to make it work, to make it, you see how it's feeling the bobbin. The thread is now feeling the bobbin, moving up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you see what I'm talking about? So it has detached itself from the bobbin because the bobbin is filled with thread already. Now cut. Good. So I've inserted the bobbin inside the shuttle, and this shuttle, the one drive, any industrial sewing machine you see, it always has a different shuttle from the domestic or normal ones. So this is the industrial shuttle. Now we have to pull this up. Since this is so stiff for me to open, I would have rather inserted it, from here, but it's stiff. I haven't even remedied it, so I have to pull this up to insert it my own way. So watch out. When you want to fix this shuttle inside this place, you need to ensure that it's the open place faces up, I don't know, upward. Do you understand? And the thread is like this. Do you understand? So let's fix it. It's fixing upward. So I don't know what the matter is. Okay, it has to click, to make a click sound for you to confirm that it has properly fixed. Okay, it has made a click sound. Very good. Now let me bring it down back again and fix the second thread inside the needle. Do you understand? Is it needle? Sewing needles, right? Yeah. Now it's in progress. Now this is the second bobbin. When you have fixed the first bobbin that you filled with thread inside this shuttle and attached it underneath, the second bobbin can be put inside here, and also fill it again. Ensure that it doesn't hook, the thread doesn't hook with this thing. Ensure that the thread doesn't hook with this thing. So this is the second bobbin that I want to fill with thread. Why am I doing this? As I will be sewing, automatically the thread will will be rolling, inside we'll be feeling the bobbin as I am sewing my dress here. Automatically the thread will be feeling the second bobbin here. So yeah, I've attached this to make it stay firm. All right, to begin with the second thread now. Okay, this is it. I'll attach it from the back. I'll insert it from the back, pull it out at the front. Okay, now I've pulled it out at the front, so there must be no, this is it. So I'm holding this camera at hand because I want you to vividly see what I'm doing. I don't want to work from distance. So it has 3 holes. Actually, this thing has 3 holes. You insert the first hole like this. It comes out from you insert it from the right side and you pull it out from the left side. Make sure it doesn't hook anything. The thread doesn't hook anything. So after pulling it out from the left side, you insert it again inside the second hole from the left, pull it out from the right side. Please make sure you are studying this, make sure you practice it whenever you get your Emel industrial OneDrive Emel industrial sewing machine. And this is the third hole. You insert the thread from the right side, pull it out from the left side. So we've achieved that. Now the next thing we pass through is to make this thread pass through this place, which has 2 holes as well. So from underneath you insert the thread from underneath the first hole, pull it out, then insert it from the upside to the downside in the second hole. Now here we want to make the thread enter this space, and like this. Do you understand? I believe you are seeing this. So this is the control. If you want this thread to be so loose while sewing, you don't want it to be stiff. You don't want this thread to be stiff, because if it is stiff, it will actually be cutting. So this is where you can control it. Do you understand? And whenever you control this, you definitely know if the thread is loose enough to move, as you are to move easily and controllably as you're sewing. Now after that, this is optional. You can decide to insert the thread inside this place or not. At times I don't fix it inside this one. The next core place to insert a thread is this thing here, which can move upward and downward. So it has only 1 hole. You insert it from the right side and pull it out from the left side. Okay, I believe I'm making sense. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel, comment, put on the notification bell, and like. I really appreciate that. So whenever I drop another video, you'll be the first to get the notification. So after I've pulled it out from this side, this thing has to hook So I will hook the thread on the first place here and hook it at the second place here. Then you see this little thing, this curly that looks like string, two pieces string. It's easy one too. You ensure that you pass your thread inside it. Do you understand? Before finally fixing the thread inside the needle. So let me fix the thread inside the needle and let's practice with it. So I fixed the thread inside the sewing needle. From the left side, I inserted the thread inside the needle hole, then pulled it out from the right side. So here, this is what we have. So the next thing is to use this to control the movement of the needle. So I'm going to roll this down, do you understand, to pull out the thread that is under. Do you understand? It has come out actually. So I've pulled out the thread that is from under upward. Do you understand? So here is it. If you can see very well, you see that I have two threads. You're a fashion designer, so I believe you know. One from the needle, sewing needle, one from the bobbin that's inside, that's under this place. So you join them together like this, raise this up, this foot, then make it come under it and place your foot back to the normal position. So that's it. That's how you fix your thread your threads inside the OneDrive Emel industrial sewing machine. Thank you for watching today's episode on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the next video, but make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like my video, share and comment. Thank you. Bye.